How to pay for Bolt food orders. Wondering how to pay for your next meal on Bolt Food? Here's how payments work. After adding your food to the cart, go to checkout. You'll see all available payment options: card, wallet, or cash on delivery. Select your preferred one before confirming the order. If you are paying by card, you can save your card details securely for future use. For wallet payments, make sure there's enough balance before placing your order. Keep your wallet topped up to skip payment delays during busy hours. What's your go-to payment method? Card or cash? Tell me about it in the comments below. And that's how you can pay for Bolt food orders. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.